Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are 5 Star from College Matrikulasi Selangor. The title of our innovation is Trigo. Our group consists of Madam Widat, Madam Emma, Madam Mashita, Madam Ashikin and Sir Hanafi. Most of our students in matriculation have been problem in finding the derivative of trigonometric functions due to retroactive interference and carelessness. Below we can see a few mistakes that have been done by the students when solving the questions. The first objective of our study is to have students memorize the steps of solving differentiation of trigonometric functions. Questionnaire will be used in order to answer the first objective. The second objective is to enhance students' performance in solving differentiation of trigonometric functions. Pre-test and post-test will be conducted in order to answer the second objective. The respondents of our study are 25 students from class D1 M1 T5.
How is Trigo innovative? Trigo is actually a mnemonic technique written on board while teaching. And then our group decided to create a mobile application for Trigo. So now we successfully developed Trigo as an application. It is easy to download and accessible anytime and anywhere.
So here is a short video on how to download and install our Trigo app. The next two videos will explain about Trigo and a few examples that can be found in our app.
So now let us look at on how to differentiate trigonometric function. So the step is called Trigo technique. So we let the general equation of a Trigo function is Trigo to the power of n fx. In order to apply Trigo technique, we need to write number 3 and then arrow pointing downwards. Okay, what we have is n Trigo fx, n minus 1 Trigo prime fx, and then f prime x. And then we are going to multiply n with Trigo fx, and then to the power of n minus 1, and then times with Trigo prime fx, and then times with f prime x. So now let us look at an example on how to apply Trigo technique. Okay, so we have tangent cube 4x squared minus 2x. Okay, we draw number 3, so we know that n is 3. Trigo fx is tangent 4x squared minus 2x, and minus 1 is 2. And then Trigo prime is secant square, fx is 4x squared minus 2x. Then we differentiate our fx, so we get ax minus 2. Therefore, the derivative is 3 times tangent 4x squared minus 2x to the power of 2, and times secant squared 4x squared minus 2x, and times ax minus 2. And then we just simplify, so we get final answer is 24x minus 6 times tangent square 4x square minus 2x times secant square 4x square minus 2x.
The question is differentiate with respect to x cosec power 4 ex square minus 1. Firstly, you have to draw the 3. Now we fill in. The n is the power, so we have 4. And then Trigo fx is the trigonometric function without power, which is cosec ex square minus 1. And then n minus 1 is this one, 4 minus 1, we have 3. And Trigo prime is we differentiate cosec ex square minus 1, so we will get negative cosec ex square minus 1 cot ex square minus 1. And f prime is we just differentiate ex square minus 1, we will get 2x ex square minus 1. So from here we just sort it out. So this one 4 multiply with cosec EX square minus 1 to the power of 3 multiply with the trigo prime negative cosec EX square minus 1 cot EX square minus 1 and multiply with the 2x EX square minus 1. And finally, we simplify by multiplying all the constants. We will have negative 8x e to the power of x square minus 1 cosec power 4 EX square minus 1 cot EX square minus 1.
Alright, now we talk about the impacts on the students. The data shows the result obtained from the questionnaires. It shows that the mean score of the items is at high level, which scale 4 to 5. We can say this innovation improves students' memory, interest, and motivation, and the objective to help students memorize the steps of solving differentiation of trigonometric function achieved. Let's move on to the second impact of students, which is improved students' performance. From the graph, the blue line indicates the result of the pre-test from each of the students, and the red line is the result of the post-test. All the students give positive improvement, which make the objective to enhance student performance in solving differentiation questions involving trigonometric function achieved. Next, we go to the impact to the society. The first one is the impact on lecturers, which to produce skilled teachers who are creative and innovative in the new norm learning landscape. The second one is the impact on teaching and learning process, which to shorten the explanation of concept in creating an effective lesson. The third one is impact on organization, which to enhance the image of mathematics unit and KMS. And the last one is the impact on the field of education, which curriculum goals can be translated in line with national education philosophy on the threshold of IR 4.0. This is the teaching and learning process, and we can see the students implement the trigo technique during tutorial class. This is the sharing session among lecturers in the Intellectual Discourse Mathematics Unit KMS. For the award and recognition, we achieved the Anugerah Platinum from Pertandingan Peringkat Kebangsaan Inovasi dalam PDP Kolej Matrikulasi Selangor 2020. And another one, we got first runner-up for Konvensyen Penyelidikan PLC dan Inovasi Pendidikan Program Matrikulasi kali pertama tahun 2021. That's all. Thank you for watching from us 5 Star.